Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Printed Mint account to your Shopify store, step by step, nice and easy. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Create your Printed Mint account. First, head over to printedmint.com and click sign in. If you don't already have an account, creating one is super easy. Just enter a username, password, and the email you would like to use. Once you're in, go to Account Settings. You can find this on the top right under your name and fill out your business information. So go right here under your name, go to Profile, and make sure you fill this out. Next, head to Payment Method. You could find this on the left side and add your payment details. So right over here, Payment Method, right there, and add a payment. Pro tip, make sure your billing address matches your credit card. Otherwise, you might get one of those lovely payment decline messages later. We don't want that. Step 2, connect Shopify. Now that your account is ready, let's connect it to Shopify. From your Printed Mint dashboard, that's right here, look on the left side about 5 menus down, you'll see Connected Shops. Click on that, and then choose Shopify. The Shopify integration section will appear right in the middle of the page. Once you're here, make sure you click Install. This will bring you to another page. Look over anything you need to look over, and then click Install. You'll see here that you're currently logged in. Press Continue. Give it a few seconds. Congrats, you're connected. You'll know it worked when your Shopify store name appears under your connected shops, right up here. If it doesn't show up right away, no worries. Just refresh the page and give it a few seconds. Step 3, set up your essentials. Now let's set up your essential settings so everything runs smoothly. Here's what you'll want to check out. Packaging. Printed Mint lets you brand your boxes, add your logo, thank you cards, or even a funny sticker if that's your vibe. Next is shipping. Flat rate is the default, but choosing cheapest method can save you a few bucks if you're using auto pay. Order filtering. Great if you use multiple print-on-demand services. It keeps your orders organized. Billing and auto pay. Pick your payment method and decide if you want orders to process automatically. Notifications. You can turn off emails, but I recommend keeping them on. Once you are satisfied, click on Save Settings. Step 4, design your first product. All right, now for the fun part, designing your first product. Printed Mint has over 300 items to choose from, but today we'll go with the classic t-shirt. Head to the product category, which is right here on the left, or hover over products on the top, click that, go to apparel, which is right here, then t-shirts and tanks. It'll show you all the t-shirts that are available. I'm going to use the Bella Canvas unisex tee. Click either the shirt image or the paintbrush icon to start designing. If you click the product image instead of the paintbrush, which I'll show you right now, just scroll down a bit after the page loads and you'll see the design option right there. Upload your design, choose the placement, front, back, or both, and then click your background color. I personally go with transparent. Let me show you how this is done. Go to Files. I already have an image there. If you would like to change the size, there are two options. You can either click on the top left of your image and make it large or small, or go over to Scale, that's right here, and you can do it from there. Underneath that, you can flip vertically if you would like, or horizontally. Alignment, you could put it directly in the middle, push it all the way to the top, or to the bottom, to the left, or to the right. I like mine to the top and then drag down a bit. Perfect. Design view is where you can decide whether you want this to be on the front, the back, or both. You choose your background color. Like I said, mine is transparent. The colors on top will show you exactly how it looks right now. You'll be able to choose all the colors you would like in the next section. You can also add text and a little clip art if you like. Once you're happy, click Next on the top right to preview your design. On this page, you can choose which shirt colors you want to offer. You can also reorder the mock-ups. Let's say you prefer this picture better than the primary. Click and hold on the one you like and drag it to the top. Once you're satisfied, go back to the top right and click Next. Here is where you can set your retail prices. For example, for the small, if I go in and click 24 and then click out, you'll see your profit margin right here on the right. You can also update your product name. I'll go with Golden Horse. If you need help with the description, Printed Mint even has a built-in AI tool. Just click to provide a few details and it'll generate a description for you. Let's try it now. Golden Horse, tell us about my design. Original art, pixel beaded horse. You can decide whether you want it to be short, medium, or long description. Let's say trendy. Demographic, I'm going to say everyone for this. Use emojis, generate. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so you see it includes the name. This shirt transcends typical fashion with its original pixel beaded horse art. Perfect. It's saying what I put in. Perfect. Looks good. When everything looks good, click Save and Open right here on the bottom right. This final page gives you the option to send to shop. Scroll down a bit. It's right over here. Now it's safe to click this because it's going to give us one more option. After clicking Send to Shop, you will see two options, Send as Draft or Send Active. I'm going to select Send as Draft for now. I've got a few more customization tips to show you before we publish. Okay, it's on draft and I'm pushing as draft. Let's check it out in Shopify. Now this might take a minute or two, so if it's not there right away, don't worry about that. Once your product has synced, head over to Shopify. On the top left, go to Products. And there we go. Your new t-shirt should appear right here. Now, if it doesn't show up right away, refresh the page a couple of times or wait another minute or so. Click your product to open it up. We're going to make sure it's connected to your online store. I'm going to click on it right there. Now this is not live yet, so you can make any edits you would like. You could add to the AI description if you like, or change it completely. As you see here, I put nothing on the back of my shirt. So if I don't want this image, it's just a picture of a plain shirt. Exit is right here on top left. Click the little box on the picture and remove. That will clean it up. Category here, it gives you a suggested t-shirts and clothing tops. I'll click that. There's more options here for you to choose from. But one of the important options I'm going to show you is the publishing. Click on Manage. And we're going to make sure that this online store is checked. Once that is checked, remember to press Include, Included, and then press Done. After that, make any edits you need, and then switch the status from draft to active, which is right up here on the top right. Click on that, set it to active, and don't forget to save. Always make sure you save. Now let's check out your live store. On the left side of the Shopify dashboard, click the little eye icon next to Online Store. Here's Online Store right here in the menu, and then that's the little eye icon. Give that a click. And here you go. Here's your product. You can see both mock-ups here, but that's the primary that we chose. Give it a click and you'll see how it looks in your store. Now, if you need to tweak anything, just go back to products. Click back on your item to open it up. Make any edits you need, and then always remember to press save. That will be right here on the top. And that's it. You've just connected your Printed Mint account to Shopify and launched your very first product. Now go make something awesome and have fun creating.